my entire life.
Oh, fuck.
That was a video worthy right there.
Dude,
Like
they just fucking dropped.
Oh, look at
there's another one.
Yep.
Exterminator.
Right here, right here. Oh.
Dropping, son. Dropping. We doing? We dropping wasps.
Oh, God, we got to save some for this corner.
I'll say, yeah, let's see what's in here now.
There's a lot.
Was there?
No, well, I've seen one right there. It's a small one.
All right. All right. Watch your back. Come in a little bit here. And let me go. Right there. Oh, they...
normal size units.
Hey, look at that.
Yeah, I like these ones.
Got one right here. Yep, another one in the corner. Tag teams back again. Motherfucking I'll kill a wasp, son. Hey, look at this old water pump. So look at this. Ready? The coolest thing ever. I love it. You can wash your hands a little bit. Yeah, go ahead. Get a little hat. Get a little swamp pool in action. Woo! Yeah, I like that. I like that. It's easy to clean the coils with the fucking water right there.
Hell yeah, you can hook your hose up.
Let's see, I think we're looking pretty good. There's so many old hives too, like it's fucking nuts. So I was gonna film a little PM up here, but instead we're wasp swatters. So this is the video, it's wasp swatters 101. First you get yourself a partner. Then you get yourself some killer. And then you fuck some wasps up. And you don't play no games. Look at these guys. Look at these guys. Hey, where's my home at, man? Where's my home? Where's my home, bro? Got fucked up. Dropped. You got dropped. Boom! Boom! I don't fuck with wasps. I don't mess with them.
Oh, no. Now.
All right, I still got about a half a can. Got about a half a can. That's all we got left, huh?
We might need that defense.
We'll save it.
Holy fuck.
Keep it right there.
That was not.
That was crazy. At least the sun's blocked. Thank you.
When I killed that
Thank you,
first
Claude.
one.
Dude, look at that. It was like a fucking waterfall of wasps.
Dude, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, fucking 50 of those motherfuckers.
I felt a drip on my back. I felt the drip on my back. Fuck the wasps. Alright, now that wasp swatter 101 is over, and get back to changing filters. Fuck.
There was like 50 of them, dude.